Hello, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with Creative Stamping Magazine number 99, and it is Botanical Bees. Let's see what you get. I ordered this like 2 weeks ago. So, you get a 6x6 stencil. You get the bee. You can build the bee. Get the honeycomb, smaller size and bigger size. Nice stencil. You get 30 different stamps. So you get some flowers, a couple bees there. You get the little scoop for the honey, some flowers. Have a beautiful day. The beekeeper queen for the day. The little jar, another flower, some script writing. And it says, "You're so sweet." Some flowers. Happy bee birthday. Honeycomb, just because. Crown, thinking about you. The bigger bee. Happy bee day. Honey, sweet as honey. Missing you. Hi, hive Ben. And some more flowers. So that's a nice variety. It's cool. I like the bees. I like that flower. So let's check out the magazine itself, shall we? Oh, see, I have this. That's cool. There we go. Look at the cards. So you have this one. Happy bee birthday. And they got the flowers. They use the stencil. I like how they show you on the bottom how to do it. And you got and the materials and what you need to use. Cool. All those. These are cute too. And show you other stamps that you. I've already found stamps that I had to go find and buy at it. Oh no, this is cute how they did that. That's cute. Did I miss a page? I think I missed a page. Nope, I didn't. View bright and bold. It's cute how they did that card. I don't think that flower's in this. But you could use different flowers. Here. See, I have that die. So cute. So cute. Another card. I just think these are cool. I just like magazines. I think the value of the magazine and what you get is worth the money. Oh, if anybody's interested, I got this off Paper Wishes. I paid $9.99, $4.99 shipping. In the store, I would think, let's see, I'll have to look in a second. It might not be priced, but I know in the store they're usually $19.99 at Joann's and or Barnes and Nobles when I get them there. So once in a while, if I see one, okay, sometimes I'll wait because I know it needs. Oh, look at her. She's cool. Little Women. Oh, this is dim. Hang on a second. Back this up. Digi stamps. Yep. We're stamping your sentiments. So let's see. Visit the Valley Etsy store to see a full range of stunning digi stamps and more. These are digi stamps, so I can find them on the Etsy store. Sometimes you have to look. Let me see. I didn't even notice. Let me see. Because sometimes there's free digitals. You just have to watch for the box. For other stuff like paper, another stamp image. You just have to look for the little the boxes. I didn't know that until one day I don't know what I was doing, and I'm like, oh my god, Look at the houses. They're a cute idea. I have houses. You can take like this one. He has houses. I have a house stamp. Just because you don't have these house stamps, but you can take yours and kind of take their idea and run with yours. You know? Because sometimes you just need inspiration. Oh, look at that card. Oh, that's cool. How that card is. And that. Some cute ideas. Ooh, look at that. Sparkle sensation. Ooh, look at the flower. It's pretty. You know, they're fun. Texture by Collins. Simpler cards. Make the same stencil and stamps. I love these. Look at that. Cute and quirky. Look at the little gnomes. Oh, look at the cow. I'm sorry you missed a gnome right there. Look at the little cow. And we're going cute. The little cow. Oh wow, look at the clock. Take time to create. Make your own watercolors. Like I said, there's always something in a magazine. Always, always, always. Look at it. Create a buzz. A jar. There's a clock. Little boxes. Cups. Always, always, always. And then that's the back of it. So that is issue 99. Okay, I was going to see if it's at the price. If you bought this in a store. Yeah, it doesn't. Nope. So, but that is my magazine. Botanical Bees. I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoyed this showing of the magazine. And as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.